Hey friends, if you wish to name and rename a Google Doc, then please watch this video. It's not very difficult. So once you have the Google document open, you'll find a field here. It says untitled document. So it's easier than renaming a Microsoft Word file. Just go there and paste the name. Actually, when you click on it, it picks up the first sentence automatically. So in my case, that is the name, but you can change it accordingly. And to rename it, simply go to the same field and type something else and then click anywhere else in the document and it will be renamed. Now one may say that why aren't we saving it specifically? The reason is that it is not an actual file, it is just an online document. It doesn't have an extension of format or anything. It is just an online record, and the only save it has is the autosave. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.